Hello students, hope you're doing very good. Welcome to the next module of HTML in which we will be learning about how we can create the checkboxes inside a form. So we are continuing with our form modules since the previous 2-3 modules, and in this one we will be focusing on creation of checkbox. Now students, in case you have visited couple of websites, you will see that there are some forms which takes the user input, and the user input that is taken in the form of some checkboxes like this. There could be a form which asks you what all are your favorite items, what do you like to eat, what is your preferences. So what I'm going to do, give some inputs, and the checkbox, if you agree with me, allows user to send multiple inputs. So you can select one, or you can select two, or you can also select all. That is the benefit of using a checkbox. Now what we will be doing is, so what is the next concept? We will be looking at basically a form with some checkboxes. Let's say there is a form which is taking some inputs from me from the means of transport. So if I select aeroplane, motorboat and gypsy, it actually allows me to select all the inputs or maybe one or two of these inputs. Now in order to code this, what we need to do is, we have created a heading which says HTML forms, and the next thing that we will be doing is, we have taken an input box which is of the type checkbox. ID, which I have explained you before, it is the unique identifier that we have to give. A unique name that I have given, and the value which will be written after the checkbox. I hope it's clear for now. So we've got a label for the aeroplane, and we've got a break tag which is actually going to bring the next line on the next line. So if you look at these students, all these which I'm putting a tick on will actually help me create my checkboxes, and on the other hand, all the labels that I am using are actually helping me generate the different labels. So I have created a checkbox, and then what I have created? Aeroplane. Similarly, I have created a checkbox and I have created motor boat. Similarly, if I have created a checkbox, I have created label gypsy. So this is how the checkboxes can be very easily created using HTML. Stay tuned for the next module in which we will be learning how to create the radio buttons. Till then, bye-bye, take care.